I'm out again, finally. Anyway, here's where I'm heading, just over there. Well, just over there. Where that big tree is, that way, sort of. Well, I'm in the, let's swap hands. I'm in the new shelter, or the new section, what I'm going to probably call Sparkys Wood. Don't know yet, I might call it something else. It's not really a wood, it's just a little hideaway. The only problem here, this is a blackthorn tree I'm under, so the ground's going to be a bit crap, but just over that way there's another little tree, or big tree, but it's quite open there to the farmer's field behind me, so I might have to leave that one till the summer. So I'm just going to set up here now, see how it goes, see what happens, clear the way on the ground, but still make it look like no one's been here once I leave, because I don't want no one to know that I've been here for definite, because this place, I don't know if you can hear the traffic, it's not too far from a main drag, but it's also, if push comes to shove, I drove it today in about 3 minutes, if push comes to shove, it's a 20-minute walk home. So if there was an emergency at home, I could get home. Anyway, I'm setting up, see you in a jiffy. Ta-da! Well, I'm under the tarp. As you can see, DPM Army Basher. Over to that tree over there. Up to there. Oh, my finger's over the camera now. Over to that tree there. And up there. But got a bit wet doing it, because this is a new new area for me. So I'm just setting up, and I'm getting rid of so much bramble up here. And the hawthorn's not too bad actually. But look at that there, nice. And I'm thinking of clearing all this floor area out and just having a small firebox there when I get things going properly. But I don't know whether you can see, there's two trees there, one there and one there. They'd be alright for a small basher setup, 3x3. But as I say, it's pretty open up there, so that's one for the summer. But I'm going to get the fire going now, clearing this floor up, get a little fire going so I can dry off. I bought this, I didn't bought it, I brought it. Abroad now, I brought this bit of Scots pine with me. I found it ages ago on one of my treks, and where's my knife? I've left it outside in the garden all the time it's been raining, for about 15 years now it's been raining, and I just want to make some scrapings with it. I've lost my doodah on here, just to see. I've lost my doodah. There it is. Just to see if I can get some, get the fire going with it still, even though it's wet. So, let's give it a go. Get some nice dust off of that. Smells nice too. Made some curls out of that wet Scots pine as well, because I don't think I'm going to get it lit with that. So let's go back to the old, I don't know where I got this fire steel from. It's a bloody good one. It just got the old Mora bushcraft knife. This fires out some lovely sparks, so let's see if we can get it going. Oh, not today. Not today, Josephine. Oh, nearly. God damn. Just worked out what I'm doing wrong. You cheating bastard. Hey, sue me. If at first you don't succeed, cheat. Oh, getting there now, a bit blurry, sorry about that. Hair got in the gate and got a bit of rain on the lens. There's camp. Bit untidy at the moment. Got to be careful because I'm standing where the dog walkers can see me. But the fire's going lovely now. I'm just passing through. Yeah. I've got the shield around the fire now. Only because over that way I could be seen by workers. just the glow anyway. But yeah, look how untidy it is. Disgusting. But I'll have food on the go soon, and that's all that matters to me. It's not a bad old basher, you know. I can't remember what I paid for it. 20 quid? No, liar. 30 quid I think it was. I'll check later. £30 from Goldings, Herne Bay, Kent. Carrymore 45 there. I took the side patches off of my Bergen because it was a bit too big really, just for the odd day out. So I think I'll just keep that as a day pack and have my Bergen, my 80 litre Bergen with the 15 litre rocket pouches as my overnighter. But, yeah, persistently raining. Ain't stopped. But yeah, here's around the camp. Look at all this. It's just nothing but rubbish. But it's a nice little spot, just near to home, so it'll do for me. Anyway, I've got to put some more wood on the fire. She's going down. Ta-da! Little brews on now. Get the coffee going. As per normal, my usual coffee of choice. Hot lava Java from Taylor's. Can't beat this one. Absolutely fantastic. New pan ready to go. I'll show you more of that when I'm ready to go. Eggs. Ooh, get in there. Look, there's my new bleeding stainless steel GSI knock-off. First time on the fire. Right, I'm gonna let her heat up, and then I'm gonna season her with some good old Bulldog beard wax, or whatever it is, beard balm. No, I'm not. It's got Rex lard in it, is it? I don't know. But I'm going to let that smoke and then season it, let it cool down, and then I'll start cooking on it in about 20 minutes, half hour. It's a nightmare, absolute nightmare, trying to get some heat going on that with wet wood. So I've resorted to gas, folks. Sorry, I'm cheating again, but the weather today is just pants, so you'll have to bear with me. While this is sat on here, I don't know whether you can see it, but look, it's warping, absolutely warping. What's that all about? Look, twisted to buggery. Well, that ain't meant to happen, is it? I'm using it now, but it's going back. I ain't happy about that, and I'll put the link up to where I got it from when I get in. Should it be going that colour? I know it goes purple, but look at them dots in it. What's that all about? Not a happy bunny, not impressed. Yeah, just letting that cool down again. But look, That shouldn't go like that. Surely to goodness. Well, I think that's safe to say that that pan is shite. Waiting to clean that up on the gas. Pile of rubbish. And a coffee waiting to go. Roll on. Yeah, this bag is getting a bit dark in here, but it's only 4 o'clock, I think. This bag houses a fire kit, a couple of little possibles in there, but it's a bag I mentioned earlier, made by Dave Fryers. Love the little Union flag there. It's very well made. I've got to get some more of these for different things, just to make the old kit a bit more modular. I like the idea of that, and if I don't end up liking it that way and I want to change it out, I can use them for work or something. But yeah, just thought I'd mention that. Dave Fryers, he's got an Etsy page if you want to go to his Etsy page. I can't remember what it is now, but I can put the link in later if need be, down the bottom. But well worth it, very fast delivery, and a well made British product. There you go. Well, that's it, folks. Little day camp over and done with. Fire was down there, tarp was across here, over to that tree. Leave no trace, leave no trace. Right, I'm heading off out of here. There's my way out there, that's as far as I'm going to show you. There's a little camp just through there that I might set up in at a future time. This was quick, wasn't it? Is where I might set up next. There's less crap in the way. I'm out in the open a bit more that way, but no one comes up here anyway. But through there, you can't see, but I can. Down there takes you to the main road, just down there. But here you're pretty covered, and I've got a choice of trees from there, that tree there, to this big oak, or from that big oak to that little oak. Let's go back a bit and I can show you. Between them two, set up the ridge line. I can have the tarp facing that way, so I'm down here, and then I'm facing this way, so with a fire it's not going to get seen. But yeah, I was just in there, and if I come out here, keep you facing this way because I don't want you to see where I am, but that's where I just was. In the summer months, I could set up there, out in the open a bit, with my Jack Wolfskin, or this one's a little bit undercover here, and I can go from that little oak there, have to climb through, but there's a tree over there. I can get the ridge line to, oh, it sounds like someone's over there. Probably not. But yeah, so there's another little area there I could go in the summer. because it's quite open now, and I don't want to be open in the colder months. I want to be inside through there where I just was, and you can't see through there to see where I